Welcome back to my channel. This is Boholanaonthego and I'm out again. How are you guys? Kumusta man mo? It's been a while since I am out and about again. So today guys, we are here in Jagna. So our destination for today, since it's been a while since I do my vlog outside. So I'm thinking, since I was invited by a friend to go out, so this is a very good comeback for me to vlog. You can see we should always wear our face mask. Or I am the only one passenger as well to minimize the contact of other people. So today guys, we will go to the Mayana Highlands Cafe. I am excited to tour you guys to this destination since I haven't been away from our towns.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm.
Boom! Arriving here now guys at Musfa Bohol Organic Strawberry Farm. Here in Musfa, you don't only see the strawberry farm, but you can also see the different kinds of plants here that's being sold, the ornamentals and flowering plants as well, and there are more to see inside their farm. And if you are tired and hungry from the travel, they also have restaurants here where you can order and enjoy a meal with your family. Here in Musfa, you can also try their glamping camps, which is offered by the Mayana Highlands Cafe inside the farm itself. Right next to the glamping station is you can find their cafe area, where they offer a variety of food and snacks at the same time. Here you can find a right space for you to have a nice sip of coffee and enjoy a beautiful cool weather and a nature at the same time. Hi doggy, friendly dogs. So we are here in their restaurant, guys. So nasa sila restaurant, so you don't need to worry if you want to come here for camping or a day visit. So yeah, got the fog out there. These are two of my company for our camping and hiking today. So good na siya og katugnaw. Mura sad siya og little Baguio here in Mayana. You should check it out, guys. Third, santa Lumi og sisig. So Lumi smells really good. Perfect for the cold weather here in Mayana. Tadang! Let's eat. The sisig just arrived. Tada! So the fog here's quite thick already. Dili na kay kakita sa surroundings, guys. It's really cold now in here, guys, at this hour. It's around 5. Yeah, so make sure you bring warmers or jackets to keep yourself warm. Okay, tugnaw na dyan siya tinuod. Whew. Hello guys, so we are here on our own glamping. Ano tawag nila? Structure tent, whatever.
Glamping structure.
Made of nipa. So nipa ni siya diri. Behind the cloth is the nipa and plywood over there. And tabla. Snacks before sleeping. Here at the Mayana Highlands Cafe, and we are now having our black coffee morning drinking session before we go up to Mount Matunog, which we will go for hiking for today. So the trip that we are booking is camping plus hiking in Mount Matunog. So later on, I'm going to show you guys the highest peak in Bohol. So check it out later. So mga piece of that. So now we are starting our hike going to Mount Matunog with our guide. So guys, if you haven't been here in Mayana, there are a lot of farmers. So they sell varieties of plants. So if you're a plantita, this place you should visit because there's so many plants that are on sale. So dahan kayo siyang baligya diri. So if you pass by here in this area in Mayana, somewhere here on the sides you can see anthuriums. So there's a lot of anthuriums here. Nasa sila yung sayote, vegetables. So they have different kinds of vegetables as well. So make sure before you start your trek, you have like a pre-orientation. What are the things that you should prevent in going up on the mountains, and start your trek with a prayer at the same time. So right now we're at the base and our journey has now begun. See you in a while. The hike going up to the peak of Mount Matunog is around an hour up and an hour down as well. So you can do the hiking on a day visit to the mountain. So we are now at what they call Rock Face 1. So mura siyag rocky wall, like a 90-degree wall. Ooh, it's really nice. Approaching Twin Towers because of these two rocks in between. In between ko no. Pathway in between two rocks. So, at this rainy season, be careful for a slippery trail. Beware on slippery rocks and roots. This one. So, dangog siya mga besh. So, according sa guide, there is another trail if you want to go traverse. If you don't need to go back to your trail. So, naa siya trail para mo-traverse lang ka sa hike. Which is di siya advisable in this rainy season, wet season. Kay very slippery daw dito. So guys, we're almost an hour of our hike going up. And we're almost there. The sign that we're almost there at the peak is we can see these pine trees right here on the trail. Woohoo! Woohoo! We're here!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through.
Thank you, mountain. It's been so good to be back hiking and trekking and see the views. 100% amazing. So we're going down guys for our trek. So good luck sa mga tuhod. Good luck to my tuhod. Anyway, that's all for today's adventure trekking and yesterday's camping. Hope you like my vlog and see you soon.